Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You have permission and details ready, so start by opening the Sharepoint home in Microsoft 365. Click Create Site and choose Team or Communication depending on collaboration needs. Team for groups, communication to broadcast. Enter the site name, description, and set the privacy. Make sure to assign an owner now so you can manage access. Once done, add initial members or skip to configure later. This gets the site container in place and prevents delays when you set content and structure next. Once the site exists, shape its structure. Customize the header, logo, and navigation so users find content quickly. Create document libraries and lists aligned to team workflows, adding columns and views that reflect how you search and filter. Configure default document templates and enable versioning if needed, because this preserves history. Make sure to review the site permissions groups, owners, members, visitors, and adjust sharing limits. Tighter controls prevent accidental external sharing and keep sensitive files secure while you populate content. Finish by creating landing pages and adding web parts for news, documents, and calendar so people know where to start. Pin essential libraries and set alerts or flows for routine tasks. Then test access as a regular member and check the mobile view to confirm responsiveness. If something breaks, first verify user permissions and inheritance, restore missing web parts from site settings, and check OneDrive/sync logs for sync errors. If problems persist, remove custom scripts or extensions and retry to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.